hurricane forecaster G.E. Dunn, who will explain how the hurricane system operates.
The first indication of a tropical storm or hurricane will likely come from a plane or a ship. This may happen in the San Juan district, the Miami district, or even the New Orleans district. Once it comes in and an advisory is prepared, it is coordinated with the Air Force and with the Navy. Then the advisory is distributed over the special hurricane teletype network. This one extends from Brownsville, Texas to Charleston, South Carolina. This special hurricane communications teletype network this year extends from Miami to Portland, Maine. For the first time, we have some 5 New England stations on this network, which includes Portland, Bridgeport, New Haven, and Hartford.
Now watch as the new teletype circuit is tested for the first time. Now the perforated tape is fed into an electronic machine which relays the word automatically to all points north.